Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the HTTP error 400 on your Google Chrome. So, without further ado, let's go jump into the process. So first is in the Windows search bar, type Chrome to open and bring up your Google Chrome browser. Now under the best match, you will find Google Chrome. Simply click on that. Now here in your Chrome browser, you will find these three dots at the top right corner, which is to customize and control your Chrome browser. Click on that. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol, which is under the help button. Now in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. So go ahead and click on that. Then scroll down and you'll find site settings, controls what information sites can use and show, including location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Click on this arrow. Scroll down a bit and you'll find content, third-party cookies. Click on that. Then here you'll find this option, see all site data and permissions. So here is you just need to search for the website from which you are getting the error, the HTTP 400 error. So just simply search it from here and then you just have to simply click the delete button for that website. Or you can just simply also delete all the data from here. This will delete 37.5 MB of data stored by sites and installed apps. Now this could be more in your case. Simply click on delete. And then once done, just simply reload your Chrome browser. Or you can simply close this and then open your Chrome browser and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.